Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay a QuickBooks invoice. Paying an invoice through QuickBooks is a straightforward process designed for your convenience. You can quickly access your invoice directly from an email link, choose your preferred payment method, and then confirm the details. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's go through the simple steps together. The first step is to locate the payment request email sent by your vendor. Once you open this email, you will find a prominent button, typically labeled View and Pay Invoice. Clicking this button will securely redirect you to a dedicated payment portal. This portal is specifically designed to handle your transactions safely, ensuring your financial information remains protected throughout the process. Once you are on the secure payment portal, you will be presented with various payment options. These typically include direct bank transfers or credit card payments. Carefully select your preferred method and then accurately enter all the necessary payment information. It is crucial to double-check that every required field is completed correctly to avoid any delays or issues with your transaction. Before finalizing your payment, take a moment to thoroughly review all the details you have entered. Confirm that the invoice amount displayed on the screen precisely matches your records. Once you are confident everything is correct, proceed by clicking the Pay Now or Submit Payment button. You will then receive a confirmation, completing your payment successfully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.